Xiaomi is doing what Apple has already done and what Samsung has also decided to do with their next flagship, and I'm pretty much sure that other brands are also gonna do the same thing in 2021. What's up guys, back again with another Xiaomi Mi 11 video. So Xiaomi is about to ditch the charger from Xiaomi Mi 11. That is going to be their next flagship series. Yes, and that is 100% confirmed now. Ever since this box picture of Xiaomi Mi 11 got leaked, everyone is pretty much sure that they have ditched the charger, and the box looks kinda same as of iPhone 12 box. That's because they have actually removed the charger from the box. Now why Xiaomi ditched it, we don't know the reason, but that's not fair. Okay, now coming towards the display, and this one is the latest leak we have to talk about. So Mi 11 is just going to have quad curved Super AMOLED display with HDR10 Plus technology, and that is going to be impressive. We won't see the screen curved from just left and right sides, but also from the top and bottom of the phone. There will be 120Hz display on Mi 11 and also on Mi 11 Pro. So these leaked teasers are proof of it. We have already seen the first look of Mi 11 and even the hands-on look. This teaser is another proof of the design. We have everything so far about Mi 11. Design of Mi 11 is pretty cool. It is same from front side as we saw on Mi 10 and Mi 10 Pro, but from rear side it is totally changed, and this time there will be a new square shaped camera module. And there will be triple camera setup, not quad camera setup. Xiaomi is focusing on quality of cameras, not on number of cameras this time. The rear camera sensor will be of 50 megapixel in Mi 11 and 108 megapixel in Mi 11 Pro. The camera setup is square shaped with rounded corners, and this thing looks a bit ugly because a full square shaped module would have been better with boxy corners. Anyways, this time there will be a new kind of Gorilla Glass which is titled as Rictus, and rumors claim that this is one of the best Gorilla Glass, and it is also known as Corning Gorilla Glass 7. So another hands-on picture is here which is showcasing some software information, like phone will be running on Android 11 based on MIUI 12. There will be 12 GB of RAM. Phone will be fueled up by the latest Snapdragon chipset, the Snapdragon 888 5G, which is the latest one. And we also do have some benchmarks of Mi 11, and if you look at them, we have 1135 single core scores where Snapdragon 888 beats the latest Kirin 9000, and the Kirin 9000 is having 1003 scores. And then we have 3818 multi-core scores where again it beats the Kirin 9000, and Kirin 9000 is having 3640 scores. By the way, upcoming Exynos chip from Samsung has also been rumored to be more powerful this time than the Snapdragon 888 5G. Well, we will see that how powerful it will be. There will be 4 color options, as you can see: black, blue, purple and white. There may be 4780 milliamps of battery, and Mi 11 may have 55 watts of fast charging, while Mi 11 Pro will be rocking with 120 watts. Talking about the launch date, then this leaked poster reveals the launch date, which is 28th December 2020, and phone will start shipping from the first month of 2021. Prices as per leaks are here: 4500 yuan for 8GB plus 128GB, 4800 yuan for 8GB plus 256GB, and then 5200 yuan for 12GB RAM and 256GB internal storage. So that's pretty much it. Subscribe to the channel and do let me know what do you think about this phone, and I'll see you in the next one.